Hi there and welcome to my channel. Our kidneys are incredible organs that quietly perform essential functions, such as filtering waste from our blood, balancing fluids, and regulating blood pressure. Despite their importance, many of us take kidney health for granted until something goes wrong. Unfortunately, kidney disease often develops without noticeable symptoms, earning it the nickname silent killer. By the time warning signs like fatigue, swelling, or high blood pressure emerge, significant damage may have already occurred. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is a growing health concern, affecting over 37 million people in the United States alone. This condition causes the gradual decline of kidney function, making it harder for the body to eliminate toxins. If left untreated, CKD can lead to serious complications like kidney failure, which requires dialysis or even a transplant. So what causes kidney problems? Factors such as high blood pressure, diabetes, and unhealthy lifestyle habits are major contributors. Poor diet, dehydration, and lack of exercise all take a toll on your kidneys over time. These organs are resilient but can only handle so much abuse before their function starts to decline. The good news is that there are ways to support kidney health naturally, even if you've already experienced issues. In this video, we're going to talk about a powerful vitamin that has been shown to restore kidney function in as little as 60 days. Yes, you heard that right. This essential vitamin has the potential to reduce inflammation, improve kidney performance, and protect against further damage. Whether you're already dealing with kidney concerns or you simply want to prevent issues as you age, incorporating the right nutrients can make a huge difference. This miracle vitamin could be the key to giving your kidneys the support they need to continue working efficiently, keeping you healthy and energetic for years to come. Stay tuned as we explore how this vitamin works, why it's so effective, and how you can easily incorporate it into your routine. If you're over 50 or concerned about kidney health, this information could be life-changing. Let's dive in. Vitamin D. The miracle vitamin for kidney health. When it comes to supporting kidney health, vitamin D is nothing short of a miracle. This essential nutrient does so much more than boost your immune system and strengthen bones. It plays a critical role in maintaining kidney function, especially as we age. In fact, vitamin D could be the key to restoring your kidney health in just 60 days. Why is vitamin D so important for your kidneys? Your kidneys are responsible for converting vitamin D into its active form, which the body uses to regulate calcium and phosphorus levels, both of which are essential for maintaining strong bones and proper muscle function. But that's not all. Adequate vitamin D levels also help reduce inflammation, a major factor that contributes to kidney disease and damage. Research shows that people with chronic kidney disease, CKD, often have lower levels of vitamin D, making it harder for their kidneys to function properly. By increasing your intake of vitamin D, you can support your kidneys in a number of ways. Reduces inflammation. Vitamin D has anti-inflammatory properties that can help protect your kidneys from further damage. Balances calcium levels. It regulates calcium in the blood, preventing complications like kidney stones or calcification of arteries. Supports overall kidney function. Proper levels of vitamin D ensure that your kidneys can filter toxins and waste more effectively. How to boost your vitamin D levels. There are several ways to make sure you're getting enough vitamin D to support your kidney health. Spending time in the sun is the most natural way to boost your vitamin D production. But it's not always easy to get enough through sunlight alone, especially for those of us living in colder climates or who spend a lot of time indoors. That's where vitamin D supplements come in. They're a simple, effective way to ensure you're getting the right amount each day. If you're dealing with kidney issues, you'll want to aim for higher vitamin D intake, ideally under the guidance of a healthcare professional. The benefits of this miracle vitamin can be profound, and with consistent use, you could notice significant improvements in kidney function within just 60 days. Vitamin B6. The unsung hero for kidney health. While it may not always get the spotlight, vitamin B6 is a crucial player when it comes to keeping your kidneys functioning at their best. Known for its role in metabolism and energy production, vitamin B6 is also key in protecting your kidneys from damage and preventing the formation of kidney stones. When used correctly, this vitamin can help restore kidney health in just 60 days. Why is vitamin B6 vital for kidney health? One of the major causes of kidney problems, especially kidney stones, is an excess of oxalate in the urine. Oxalates are naturally occurring compounds that can bind with calcium in the kidneys to form stones, leading to pain, infection, and long-term kidney damage. Here's where vitamin B6 steps in. It plays an essential role in reducing oxalate levels in the body, preventing these harmful crystals from forming in the first place. In addition to its ability to prevent kidney stones, vitamin B6 offers several other benefits for kidney health. Prevents harmful buildup. By reducing oxalates, vitamin B6 helps protect your kidneys from potential blockages or damage. Supports energy metabolism. It helps convert protein into energy, reducing the strain on your kidneys to process excess protein and waste. Improves overall kidney function. With reduced inflammation and less waste buildup, your kidneys can operate more efficiently, filtering out toxins and excess fluids with ease. How to get more vitamin B6? You can find vitamin B6 in a variety of foods, including fish, poultry, potatoes, and bananas. However, if you're dealing with kidney issues, it may be difficult to get enough of this vitamin through diet alone. That's where supplements come in. They're an easy, effective way to boost your B6 levels and start seeing improvements in your kidney health. The recommended daily intake of vitamin B6 varies depending on your age, sex, and specific health needs. But for those with kidney concerns, a higher intake under medical supervision could be life-changing. Consistent use of vitamin B6 has been shown to reduce oxalate levels and protect the kidneys from further damage, often within a short period, sometimes as quickly as 60 days. Vitamin B12, the essential vitamin for kidney health and anemia prevention. When we talk about kidney health, vitamin B12 is often overlooked, but it's absolutely critical, especially for those dealing with chronic kidney issues. This vitamin doesn't just play a role in energy production and brain health, it's also key in preventing one of the most common complications of kidney disease, anemia. And guess what? By maintaining healthy levels of vitamin B12, you can help improve your kidney function and overall health in as little as 60 days. How does vitamin B12 support kidney health? One of the most important jobs of your kidneys is to produce a hormone called erythropoietin, EPO, which signals your body to create red blood cells. When kidney function declines, the production of this hormone drops, leading to anemia, a condition where your body doesn't have enough red blood cells to carry oxygen to your tissues. This causes fatigue, shortness of breath, and a range of other health issues. Here's where vitamin B12 comes to the rescue. Prevents anemia. Vitamin B12 is crucial for the production of red blood cells. When your kidneys are struggling, having adequate levels of this vitamin helps ensure your body can still produce enough healthy red blood cells, reducing the risk of anemia. Supports nerve function. In addition to its role in red blood cell production, vitamin B12 is essential for maintaining healthy nerve function. Kidney problems can sometimes lead to nerve damage, and vitamin B12 helps protect against this. Boosts overall energy levels. By preventing anemia and maintaining nerve health, vitamin B12 can help combat fatigue, a common issue in people with declining kidney function. How to ensure you're getting enough vitamin B12? Vitamin B12 is primarily found in animal products like meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. However, as we age, or if we follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, it can become difficult to get enough vitamin B12 through food alone. This is especially true for people with kidney issues who may have trouble absorbing this vitamin effectively. Supplementing with vitamin B12 is a simple and effective way to boost your levels and prevent the complications that come with deficiency. If you're experiencing fatigue or signs of anemia, adding a B12 supplement to your routine could make a dramatic difference, often within just 60 days. For vitamin B9, the tissue repair vitamin for kidney health. When it comes to maintaining healthy kidneys, folate, vitamin B9 is a vitamin you can't overlook. Known for its essential role in cell production and tissue repair, folate is critical for people struggling with kidney issues. This vitamin not only helps your body create new cells, but it also supports the proper functioning of existing ones, making it a key player in restoring kidney health in just 60 days. Why is folate so important for kidney health? Folate is crucial for the production and repair of DNA, which is essential for cell growth and regeneration. Healthy kidneys rely on the body's ability to create and repair the tissues that filter waste and toxins from the blood. When kidney function declines, damaged tissues need all the help they can get to regenerate. Folate ensures that your body has the building blocks necessary for this repair process. In addition to its tissue-repairing abilities, folate has several other benefits for kidney health. Helps prevent anemia. Much like vitamin B12, folate is vital for producing red blood cells. Anemia is a common side effect of kidney disease, and adequate levels of folate can help prevent or reduce the severity of this condition. Reduces homocysteine levels. High levels of homocysteine, an amino acid, are linked to kidney damage and cardiovascular problems. Folate helps break down homocysteine, protecting your kidneys and heart from additional stress. Supports overall cell function. Folate ensures your body can produce healthy cells, which is especially important for kidney tissue regeneration and maintenance. How to get more folate? Folate is found naturally in leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, as well as in beans, peas, and citrus fruits. However, getting enough folate through diet alone can be difficult, especially if you have kidney issues or a condition that makes it harder to absorb nutrients. Fortunately, folate supplements, often available as folic acid, the synthetic form of folate, are an easy way to ensure you're getting the proper amount. For those with kidney problems, maintaining healthy levels of folate can help in repairing kidney tissues and improving overall kidney function. With consistent use, you may notice improvements in energy, fewer symptoms of anemia, and enhanced kidney health, often within just 60 days. Vitamin K2, the calcium regulator for optimal kidney health. If you're looking for a vitamin that works wonders for your kidneys, look no further than vitamin K2. Often underappreciated, vitamin K2 plays a critical role in protecting your kidneys by regulating calcium levels in the body. By ensuring calcium is directed to where it belongs, like your bones, vitamin K2 helps prevent harmful calcium deposits in the kidneys and arteries. In just 60 days, this vitamin can make a significant difference in restoring kidney health and improving overall well-being. Why is vitamin K2 so important for kidney health? One of the lesser-known complications of kidney problems is the buildup of calcium in the wrong places, especially in the kidneys and blood vessels. This process, known as calcification, can lead to kidney stones, arterial stiffness, and even heart disease. Vitamin K2 is the key to preventing this. It activates proteins that regulate calcium, directing it to your bones where it's needed, and preventing it from accumulating in your kidneys or blood vessels. Here's how vitamin K2 benefits your kidney health. Prevents calcification. Vitamin K2 activates proteins like matrix GLA protein, which stops calcium from building up in the kidneys and arteries, helping to prevent kidney stones and calcification. Supports vascular health. By reducing calcification in blood vessels, vitamin K2 helps maintain proper blood flow, which is crucial for healthy kidney function. Improves bone health. Vitamin K2 ensures that calcium is absorbed into your bones rather than accumulating in your kidneys, supporting overall bone health and reducing the risk of kidney-related complications. How to get more vitamin K2. Vitamin K2 is found in foods like fermented soy products, natto, certain cheeses, and animal products like egg yolks and liver. However, many people don't get enough vitamin K2 through their diet alone, making supplementation an effective way to boost your levels. This is especially important if you're dealing with kidney issues or concerned about calcium buildup. For those with kidney concerns, taking a vitamin K2 supplement can help prevent the dangerous buildup of calcium in the kidneys and arteries, protecting you from further complications. With regular use, vitamin K2 can improve kidney function and protect against future damage, often within just 60 days.